Drop him, man. Yeah.
There's another one behind him.
I'm aware of the bonds that were created today. When you told me that sure there's a way. The water's so still and my pain has gone away. The air is much cleaner after it rains. Follow my love, the scent that's in spring air. Follow the moon into the sun. There's a call for new beginnings here. Let the sorrow of yester disappear. Let your body be new.
What is going on, everybody? It is 2022. We're in elk camp / moose camp. I'm here with Kaylee.
Hey guys.
And we're just doing a little bit of scouting yesterday evening and today. Been seeing a whole bunch of wolf sign. And we actually seen, was it 3?
We've seen 3 this morning.
Yeah, 3 wolves this morning. So might need to take care of a few of those. But other than that, elk sign is still pretty good. Rifle season doesn't open for another week or so, but we do have moose tags, so we're going to be out looking for some moose meanwhile. And I also have my bow in case we do come across a bull elk. And yeah, we got a few more people showing up here in a few days, and we got about 3 weeks at camp, so hopefully we can fill some tags. So Sean showed up early this morning. 3 of us are just out now looking for moose. Back on this old cut line, so I'm gonna do a few calls here, and if we don't get anything, we'll probably relocate. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon now, so we still got quite a bit of day left.
It's 5:45. Good morning. Hopefully there's some moose on the loose. Time to get ready. They spawned a couple cows and a bull in here this morning. I'm not quite sure where. Manny's off somewhere in the ether looking for moose. I'm about to start doing the same.
So we just spooked a big bull moose about half hour ago, just trying to track him down. We swung around to the other side of the cut block he went through, so see if we can find him. We did just spot a cow making her way across the cut block, so yeah, we're just gonna walk around a little bit till about noon, see if we can find him, and if we can't, we'll just make a game plan from there. Well, no luck finding any moose. Seen a few, well, Kaylee's seen a few bucks. I haven't seen nothing but does lately. But it's opening day for rifle elk tomorrow. So we're just checking out some of our spots. Elk traffic seems to be good. And we just ran into this black bear. But I think Sean's gonna pass on him. Probably best for now anyways. So we get some elk hunting out of the way. Yeah, tomorrow is opening morning. Hopefully we get something.
Gonna. Guess how close I got?
60?
35?
That was 35 yards.
That was 35. I was debating it.
Like closer to the end of our hunt, I'd say go for it. But or if it was
a bunch of shit breaking on the tree line there.
Or if it was a color phase, I'd say go for it. Yeah, we'll let him go.
Really? No way.
Pretty decent whitetail. Like, not huge, but if I got him, it's a bow kill. I'll be happy. He went crashing pretty good.
How many yards was it?
30 yards.
Shut up. That's awesome.
30 yards. Oh, let's go see if we can find blood. I don't think we have much more of light left. Got blood. Looks like a good trail too, so I'll keep following it and track him down. Found him. Oh, he bled. Check that out.
Manny.
That's my first whitetail with the bow.
He has such a nice body on him.
That's awesome.
I am so proud of you, holy smokes. Good job.
Well, let's get to work before it's dark, eh?
Yup.
Good morning, guys. It's 5 in the morning. Just gonna head out. It's pretty warm. We got a little bit of fog. It rained most of the evening yesterday and all night, so see if we can track down some bugles and get to work, do some calling.
Scope myself.
Oh, babe.
Did I miss?
I heard a smack.
So did I.
Well, you got time for a follow-up shot?
Sure.
Just make sure you're anchored properly.
Mm-hmm.
Don't scope yourself twice. That's it, Kaylee and I just got a double header, and she got a scope to the head, and the other guys in the group might also have a bull.
Sorry.
But yeah, we'll give it a little bit here and we'll go check them out. But we got 2 bulls down. Congrats on your first bull.
You too?
Good job, Kaylee.
Thank you.
Where'd you get him?
I have no idea. I think I'm really shy somewhere. Oh, he's so beautiful. What the heck?
Does that still technically count as 3?
That is cool. Yeah, he must have had an old injury, so it just grew in all weird.
What the heck? That's so neat.
So my bull went down in the field and then 10 minutes later decided to get up and came down into here to die, so just had to make it harder for us. thorn bushes. Lots of thorn bushes.
That's a beautiful elk, Manny.
Check that out. Thank you, buddy. All camp is full of meat. I'm gonna do a town run today and get all this stuff into the butcher. We've still got some moose tags to fill. It's pretty crappy weather, so take the day off, do a town run, a little bit of civilization. Yeah. Holy shit.
Can you tell you've been in the bush for 3 weeks?
Well, we did a town run today to drop off Michael's bull at the butcher, and we had to cut some trail this evening to get into our moose spot. So I think we got like an hour or so left to light. We'll get into a little bit of calling and then probably come out here again in the morning. Must have been like 10 yards. That was a real nice 6x6. Oh, I love calling those things in. Of course, now our elk tags are filled, and we're looking for moose.
Sometimes things happen beyond your control, as if they have a life of their own. Choices you make, what appears to be right, seems you just have no say. As if you're a witness to your own mistakes, it's easy to play along. After you see what the choices came to be.